Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about this X-ray. In this X-ray, you can see that this is the lungs, and here you can see that there is some fluid which is accumulated here. So these are encapsulated pleural fluid which you can see in this picture. So it shows cystic fluid collections which are seen. See, this is one fluid collection, this is other. Here you can see many fluid collections, and this resembles or mimics the lung tumor. This is actually an encapsulated tumor. So an encapsulated fluid collection in the lungs. So thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.